Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to find out smallest number of two given numbers without comparing those two numbers. Okay, so I have here two numbers. Okay, so I just put a random two numbers. Okay, I want to find out which is the smallest number, but I should not compare. In other words, I must not say this A is less than B. So this kind of logical operation I should not do. I just say using some other formula, some other technique to say whether it is what is the smallest number. But is it possible? Yes, it is possible. We have a function called ABS. In max you can say it's a mod function or the sign remover. Okay, so this function how it works I will explain to you. ABS, you have number 8 and 30. Okay, so ABS of okay, when you type ABS you can see here return the absolute value of number. Absolute value of a number is nothing but the absolute value of the number is nothing but a number's sign is removed, a number without its sign. Okay, 8. So obviously it is 8 because you can see because it doesn't have any sign. Okay, what if I have minus 30? Okay, ABS of yes 30, so not negative 30 becomes positive 30 and 8 also 8. Okay, what if 8 minus 2? Okay, ABS of 8 minus 2, you have a 6. Okay, this is 6, this is positive. Okay, 2 minus 30 which is minus 28. Okay, you can say it is ABS of 2 minus 30. You can see it is 28. It's positive 28, not negative 28. So it is the sign remover function, the absolute function. It helps us to remove the sign. But why do you want to remove the sign? There are formulas which uses only the difference, positive difference between 2 points. Instead of you say the negative value. And also in accounts also in debits, credits, all this you may have minus signs, but you just remove the minus sign and say in positive it is a debit or credit or all those stuff. Okay, so now we come back to our original question. Okay, how to find the smallest of two numbers without comparing these two numbers? I have a formula which is most of them might have known the formula because it's a well-known formula, and usually they say about the biggest number. It can be used for smallest number also. I'll show to you. Okay, equal to ABS of first number, which is A here, A1, B second number. So this gives the difference between the first number and the second number. Okay, so the difference, if you add it to the smallest number, you will get the biggest number. If you minus the difference from the bigger number, then you will get a smaller number. Okay, so you have I say this is a1, the two numbers. If I add these two numbers, okay, I already have a bigger number and smaller number. So if I have the difference. Okay, so this difference, one of these two numbers is supposed to be a bigger number. Okay, it could be a or it could be b, so I minus the difference. I want to minus the difference from the bigger number. Okay, if a is the biggest number and b is the smaller number, then I minus off from the bigger number, then it removes the difference and that one also become the smaller number. So I will get to 2b. Okay, 2 times the smallest number. Similarly, if b is the biggest number, in this case b is the biggest number and a is the smallest number, I add these two. I already have the sum of these two numbers. Okay, bigger number plus smaller number. So b is the bigger number, so I minus off the difference from the b. It is also giving this one turn to a. Okay, so it is going to give me 2a, which is nothing but 2 times the smallest number. Okay, so whichever way it gives the 2 times the smallest number, irrespective of whether a is the biggest number or b is the biggest number. Okay, so I just divide this by 2. I'll get my desired result, which is because it's 2 times smallest number, then divided by 2 is 1 time smaller number, which is okay, this should be minus. Okay, so this is the difference, a comma b1. Okay, so enter. I get to 505, which is nothing but the smallest of these two numbers. So let's check. A is smaller, so it comes 505. Okay, now b is smaller, 252 also shows it is the smallest number. Okay, so this is the way you can start using the ABS function, as well as you can use the ABS function and work on the trick formulas like this in your Excel sheet. Hope my video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.